Hey guys, it's Ava. Welcome back to my channel. And today, at school, I got slime from my friend. It's actually Flarp, but she made the slime. She put a whole bottle of glitter in this slime. So if my hands are full of glitter, by the end of this video, you know why. I have disposable gloves right here, but I really want to fill my slime. It's not sticky. Okay. I mean, if there's like a way. Oh, yes, there is. Like that. So, guys, if you are wondering what this is, oh my gosh, it's actually really good. So, this is a little thing that my friend put in here. Not the one that made the slime, but my other friend. She put that in there. So, look at that. Sorry guys, I moved the cap. It is very stretchy and glittery, as you can see, maybe. I have glitter on my hands. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I want to do a swirl, but I don't know if I can do it. This is a little bit of slime. Sorry about the way I was talking. Now wait, let me do a little poking. Look how stretchy. So we're gonna rub it together like that. And I'm gonna So for the thumbnail, I'm trying to make a swirl. If that's what it's called. I think that's what it's called. If I'm not mistaken. I'm not a slime pro, but I know about slime. Oh my gosh. Sorry guys. Oh my gosh, I don't think the swirl is gonna work out. So guys, there's glitter on the table. If that's glitter. Yep, it's glitter. Turn it up. Pick it up. Guys, we're at the slime. Oh, guys, that's my chin right there. That's moving. Yeah, that's my tongue. Okay. Guys, I do not know what I'm doing with my slime. Okay, so right now I'm gonna roll it up to where it's an even thing. Oh my gosh, guys, this is not working. I mean, the slime is good, but the swirl is not going to be as good as I imagined it to be. So let me do a thumbnail to see if I can do it. I'm going to try to do a thumbnail, guys. I'm going to try very hard. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I moved out of the camera. Okay. Here we go. She was supposed to make me clear slime. It's a girl. I'm gonna look it ready. You thought. I'm not about to look slime. Okay. You guys do not know where I had my phone, so you guys can see my slime. Guys, it's literally standing. Okay. I just take it off the table. I do not know what I'm wearing for school. Okay. I thought I seen the light. I'm home alone. I'm in the kitchen alone, as I should say. I thought I got on my shirt. I was like, I just took a bath, so why? Yeah. Not a bath. A shower. I took a shower. Not a bath. Oh my gosh, look at all that glitter. And there's more on the table. Like, I'm trying to pick it up with this. There we go. Get off. Get off of there. Get off. Get off. Get off. Get off of there. Get off. Get off. 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 Ah. Off. 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 Then. It's also flour or pudding, as some people call it. So we're about to do something else that does not involve slime. I need to wash my hands. Okay. Wait, Mommy, I'm washing my hands. I'm washing my hands. Ooh, this is actually a good bathroom. The sun, the sky. What can I say except you're welcome? Guys, my phone has been charged like all day. I've been doing homework like all day. I took a shower all day. I played with slime all day. You need to go take out your braids now. Okay, bye. I do not know why I use this sticker in my hand, but my hands have no glitter on it. I used Ghost soap. It smells really good, actually. Yes, mommy. Alright guys, this is the end of today's video. I will see you guys tomorrow. Deuces. Deuces guys, my bad.